We are choosing the grand prize winner for the Pride in Your Ride tricked out truck. We have inserted all 20 names from the quarterly winners to have a bunch of names in the hat that I'm going to choose one name out of the hat randomly. The winner is Joe Petroburgo. Congratulations, Joe.
Hey, Jeff.
Hey, Joe, how are you today?
I'm doing all right. I'm shaking.
Just wanted to call and congratulate you as you are the grand prize winner for Pride in Your Ride. We just picked your name out of the hat.
Seriously?
Seriously, you're it, man.
Wow. I never win at those things.
You do today. Congratulations.
Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.